Hello everyone, I am Professor Sushant Moite, working as a Head of Electrical Department from Praveen Patil, College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In previous video, we start the practical number 12 of subject Energy Conservation Audit. The title of the practical number 12 is Prepare a Sample Energy Audit Questionnaire for the given industrial facility. So, for this practical, we take a reference questionnaire, energy audit questionnaire of the Samartha Engineering, which is placed in Vasai. Okay, the name and address of industry is Samartha Engineering Works, Gaurari Pada, Vasai. The name designation from the energy department, contact person from the energy department is Mr. Borkar. Okay, the next is a yearly annual energy bill for the last 1 year, okay, from July 2018 to June 2019 is 98,594 kilowatt hour, and the electricity bill is 84,22,783 rupees. Okay, the next is a thermal fuels, coal, oil, etc. Okay, so for that the industry cannot give any amount. Okay, the next is a HSD consumed in KL, means for diesel generator, the industry use how much of oil or the diesel. This one is a 7,075 liters diesel. The next part is the electrical system. In that, the electrical supply from grid, whether ST or LT1, LT2. Yes, this industry, the electric supply from the grid is the ST, it's a high tension. Then contracted maximum demand in kVA is a 2 to 5 kVA. Then connected load in the kilowatt is a 600 kilowatt, it's approximately. Then power factor is a 0.98. Then number of transformer, okay, and their capacity. Yes, here we use the two transformer and the capacity is a 315 kVA and 200 kVA. The next is the number of DG set installed and its rating. Here use a one DG set and the rating is a 400 kVA and the 320 kilowatt. Okay, then whether here we use the APFC panel, it's a no. Then but here we use the capacitor for improving the power factor. So here we use the 8 capacitors. The rating of the capacitor, the 3 capacitor is a 25 kVAR, then 10 kVAR is a 3 numbers and the 5 kVAR is a 2 numbers. Then here we use the 20 to 50 HP motors, and the number of motors is a 2 numbers, and it's for the compressor, it's used for the compressor and the crane. Then the next is a between 5 to 20 HP is a 2 numbers motors we use, and the below 5 HP is a 25 plus 1, means it's a 29, which is for submersible, means it's a water pump. Okay, then next boiler, okay, or the thermopack. Okay, this industry is not use the boiler and the thermopack. The next is the air compressor. The total number of air compressors is a 2. Then the make, next is the make working pressure and the capacity of each air compressor is a 6 bar continuous. The motor rating in case capacity of air compressor is a 30 kilowatt. Okay, the next the split AC. Then the AC, the point number 7 is a AC and the refrigeration. Okay, the split AC, here is a 148 numbers AC we use and the capacity is a 2 ton. The next is a 0.9 is a motor pump. Okay, this industry uses 2 motor pumps. Okay, the capacity of the motor pump is a 3.7 kilowatt 5 HP motor, and the number of the motor pump is at 4, and the 2.2 kilowatt 3 HP is a 1 number. Okay, then any other machinery or equipment consuming energy and in use for 24 hours into 7 days is the hostel lighting. Okay. Then the lighting population, mean the which type of lighting, numbers of lighting used in this industry is the first incandescent. Okay, so 0 incandescent lamp used in the industry. Then fluorescent tube is a 36 watt or the 4 CW, the quantity is a 1560. Then CFL is a 11 watt and the 18 watt, the quantity is a 150 and 309. Sodium vapor lamp is a 250 watt, the quantity is a 7. Metal halide lamp, mercury vapor lamp is not used in this industry. Then halogen lamp 250 watt, it's a 1 quantity. Then any other lamps, that is a LED lamps 250 watt, 4 quantity. Then about the fan, the wall mounting fan is a 75 watt and the quantity is a 12. Ceiling fan is a 75 watt and the quantity is a 600. Then the exhaust fan, the 45 watt and the quantity is a 132. Then also this industry uses solar energy which generate a 50 kWp. This is the questionnaires for the industries. Here we use the Samarth Engineering Works, Vasai. Okay. Then after that, the conclusion of this practical number 12 is after this practical we conclude that the what type of questionnaires asked for the industry by energy auditor. Okay. Then the next part is after this practical we conclude the where we use energy conservation techniques and how we use the energy conservation technique in this industry. Thank you very much.